If you like to make ahead meals and you're looking for a way to preserve them for longer, whether it's on jars or in the freezer, this is a great option for you. It's a mason jar vacuum sealer that comes with the attachment for the mason jars, and it also comes with this extra that you can use. This one for smaller things like bottles, and then this one for things like these bags that I'm going to show you. Just make sure that you don't overfill the jar. You put the lid in it. You're going to put this inside, and you can press the automatic button. Okay, so this one went off automatically. You don't need to stop it yourself. And now this is not easy to open, so that you know that taking out the air is going to help you preserve your food in a better way, in a longer way. And now to also show you that this has no air, I am going to open it again, and you're going to see how the marshmallows go back to their natural state. So now everything's back to normal. The air is gone back inside. And the package also comes with 2 of these bags so that you can start preserving your foods inside. If you have this type of bags, you're going to close them very tight over here. So once again, you're going to put the machine on top of the air valve and then press the automatic button. So now all the air is been taken out of the bag, so this is going to be better for you to put it, whether it's in the freezer or wherever you put your stuff. This machine is very useful, very compact, and I love that it has these 2 accessories so that you can do more than just the mason jar vacuuming. You can also add bottles and, as I said, these little bags. So I really recommend it for you.